Hello. In this lesson, we will discuss about logic puzzle. We will illustrate two examples. One is as a reward for saving his daughter from pirates, and second one is knight and knave. Let's get started. As a reward for saving his daughter from pirates, the king has given you the opportunity to win a treasure hidden inside one of three trunks. The two trunks that do not hold the treasure are empty. To win, you must select the correct trunk. Trunk 1 and trunk 2 are each inscribed with the message, "This trunk is empty," and trunk 3 is inscribed with the message, "The treasure is in trunk 2." Alright? The queen, who never lies, tells you that only one of these inscriptions is true, while the other two are wrong. Which trunk should you select to win? Let's see. We derive the sentence like this. Trunk 1 is not P1, this trunk is empty. Trunk 2 is not P2, this trunk is empty. And trunk 3 said P2, the treasure is in trunk 2. And remember, queen always tell the truth, so one of this inscription is true and other two are false. So like this, we make this sentence in statement. So we keep this true and make the whole statement, and keep this true and other two are false, and same keep this true and other two keeps false, and merge them with or disjunction. So that means one of these are true. All right, and we will derive or prove this with equivalence. So if you have no idea what is equivalence is, go to my video and watch this. First we will work with those highlighted portion, and this becomes not P2 becomes P2. Why? Double negation law says not P2 is equivalent to P. All of them are same. All right. For next line, we will work with this, and this become false. All right. Why? Negation law says P and not P is equivalent to false. Now we will work this highlighted portion and this portion. Let's see what happened. This portion become not P2 and this portion become P2. Why? Idempotent law says P and P is equivalent to P. Now we will work with this portion. What it says? This becomes false. Why? Domination laws says P and false is equivalent to false. Now we work with this whole portion, and this becomes P1 and not P2 and P2. Why? Distribution law. It says P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q or P and R. So this becomes this. This right hand side becomes left hand side. All right. Now we will work this highlighted portion. This becomes false. Why? Negation law says P and not P is equivalent to false. And this portion we will work. This becomes P1. Why? Domination law says P and false is equivalent to false. And this highlighted portion becomes P1. Why? Identity law says P or false is equivalent to false. So P1 is our final answer. So the treasure is in trunk 1. All right. Let's see our next example. In Smullyan post many puzzles about an island that has two kinds of inhabitants. Knights, who always tell the truth, and the other says opposites, knaves, who always lie. You encounter two people, A and B. What is A and B? If A says B is a knight and B says the two of us are opposite types. Alright, let's see what happened. We will derive this in simple sentence logic. So consider A is a knight. If A is a knight, then he is telling the truth. when he says that B is a knight. That means A and B both are same type. Alright, both are knight. If B is a knight, B's statement A and B are of opposite types, alright, should be true, which is not, because A and B are both knights. That means something is wrong. Someone is telling the lie. So consequently, we can conclude that A is not a knight. Alright. As A is a knave, so A is a liar. So A's statement that B is knight is false. Alright. So B is also a knave. Hope you understand. Till then, our next lesson. Goodbye.